आपको थोड़ी देर हो गई। You got a bit late. You got a bit late. मेरा नाश्ता कहाँ है? Where is my breakfast? Where is my breakfast? क्या आपने टेस्ट की तैयारी की? Did you prepare for test? Did you prepare for test? आपको जल्दी जागना चाहिए। You should wake up early. You should wake up early. ये मेरी नई पतलून थी। This was my new pant. This was my new pant. एक नज़र डालें। Take a look. Take a look. मुझे कपड़े धोना पसंद नहीं है। I don't like washing clothes. I don't like washing clothes. जल्दी से नाश्ता कर लें। Have your breakfast quickly. Have your breakfast quickly. ऐसा फिजूल फैशन। Such a lethy fashion. Such a lethy fashion. मैं सबसे अच्छी दिखूंगी। I will look the best. I will look the best. मैं नमाज पढ़ने जा रही हूँ। I am going to pray. I am going to pray. सॉरी, यहाँ पढ़ने गलत लगती है। वो खाना बनाएगी। She will cook food. She will cook food. मैं गोरी हो जाऊंगी। I will get tanned. I will get tanned. कोई और काम नहीं है। There are no more work. There are no more work. हम दोपहर का खाना खाएंगे। We will have the lunch. We will have the lunch.